In this video, we're going to be showing the replacement of the master flow power vent motor. First thing we're going to want to do is go to the breaker box, make sure all the power is turned off to the thermostat. Then we're going to remove the thermostat cap, set it off in a safe place. Then we need to expose the wiring to the box. Now remember, there's a self-wired one. We're going to leave that alone for just a minute. We'll show you what to do with that later. Then we will expose the power wires, remove the white wires, make sure none of these wires come into contact with each other. Remove the black wire, push it off to the side. Now we're going to want to come back and use our voltage meter just to make sure we're being safe and we don't have any power to the unit. So we're going to test the black and the white wires and we're good. Next thing we're going to do is disconnect the conduit from the existing box. Remember we were talking earlier about the blue wire nut. Now we're going to disconnect the pre-assembled wiring. 4mm Allen wrench to loosen the fan. It's kind of hard to see. Fan is disconnected and sitting on top of the motor. And now we're good to start removing our motor. 7/16 socket. Again, removing the 3 fasteners to the housing bracket. Now the motor simply comes free. Disconnect the conduit from the old motor. Just pull the wire out. Now we have the new master flow motor in hand. Now we just need to fish the wire back through the conduit, making sure that you use the side that does not have the connector to it. And just push it back on the motor. Bang your 3 brackets back in. Now we'll reset our fan blade. There's a set screw and a flat side on the shaft. You make sure you have to get the flat side lined up with the set screw. Fan blade is set in place. Now we rewire. Get our conduit set back in the opening. Now remember, we removed that blue wire nut earlier, so what we're going to do is find the wire that we disconnected, which in this case is the top side of the thermostat box, and then we're going to reattach it to the black wire with the white line. Take your wire nut that you removed earlier, the blue wire nut, give a little tug, make sure that you're in there good. The black wire, black to black, white to white. All of our wire tucked back in here as neatly as possible. Get our thermostat cover with the opening for the temperature adjustment back into place. You're good to go. Turn your power back on, watch it work. That's the installation replacement of our new master flow motor on our power vent. Check out our other videos for installing master flow products on GAF.com.